Hey everyone, it's Margo at My Favorite Quilt Store. And I want to show you this wonderful quilt kit by Hoffman that we've put together. They have every single quarter, have a collection that they pull out called Palette of the Season. And this season, it is a beautiful palette of teals and rusts and pastels that make this beautiful feather quilt. So anyway, let's have a look and see what's inside. This quilt measures 77 by 80, so it's a big size quilt, and it's got these beautiful feathers. It comes with a pattern in color that shows you where all the different pieces go and the colors that you use. This quilt is made with a beautiful array of 1895 solids. It has this nice, I think this is called tortilla, or no, it's called tortilla. It's the background. And then this wonderful selection of dusty blues, greens, browns, and corals that make up this collection to make this beautiful Palette of the Season feather quilt. So we hope you pick this up and get rolling on it because it's a fun quilt to make. It is a beginner confident quilt, and we hope you have a great day. Happy sewing!